everyone, this is Samaya. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a unicorn book. Unicorn, you go back to your seat. Now for the book we need paper, pencil, scissors and Fevistick. Now we will fold the paper into halves. We will press it hardly. Now we will unfold it and we will cut it from the center. Now we will use one part of paper. My unicorn diary is ready.